Pladtin is a well-established Israeli company engaged in the development and production of cosmetic products for the professional and private markets. The company produces about 620 different cosmetic products, which are sold in approximately 52 countries around the world. All stages of production, from processing of raw materials to packaging and shipping, are supervised by a team of quality assurance specialists. All the production processes at the factories are recorded in order to maintain top quality. The Pladtin factories are currently at the forefront of technology in the cosmetics production industry. Advanced automation allows simultaneous manufacturing, filling and packaging of dozens of products in large quantities with maximum effectiveness and in accordance with the highest world standards. The Pladtin factories operate in accordance with the most stringent Israeli and international standards, GMP and ISO 22716, as well as under the license and supervision of the Israeli Ministry of Health, ensuring constant high quality of the products. All Pladtin products are carefully packaged and stored in a climate-controlled warehouse until they are shipped to the customers in Israel and around the world. The Pladtin Academy provides professional training seminars to the company clients from Israel and abroad. The company received the Outstanding Exporter Award for 2013. Bestowed by the President of Israel. Pladtin, worldwide beauty culture.